Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hello everyone, this is Victor Pandian from Learn Digital Academy. So in this session we'll be understanding the bidding and types of bidding options. So what is bidding? It's not a new topic, it's pretty old. Like ancient day, if people want to bid like auction, the property might have come into auction, the gold will come into auction, or cars or any other physical assets will come to an auction, and people will be bidding for that. Okay, the person who pays high, who's giving the more benefit, for that person will getting the benefit. Yeah, so the bidding is not pretty new. Now the same bidding strategy is used by Google now. The only difference is in ancient times, if the bidding, the person who bids more, he gets the product and the product gets sold. That's it. And there is nobody else can buy the same product. But when we talk about bidding in Google, it keeps on happening, it keeps on increasing. The persons who bids more, and another person comes there and he bids more than this person. It keeps on going like that. Okay, pay me more, I project you more on Google Ads. Okay. So understanding the bids basic, so let's understand what is bid first. Knowing what you want your ads to do will help you decide how to bid. Okay, so it depends upon the bidding strategies, it depends upon the campaign that you create as well. Your each and every single campaign is different. The purpose is different, your goal is different, your audience are different, your location is different, your keyword is different. So focusing on what kind of campaign will make you decide how to bid. Google Ads gives you a several way to bid for your ads. Depending on what matters most to you and your business, most advertisers focus on clicks, impressions, conversions, or views, especially for video ads. Now that you're advertising on Google, you probably have a clear goal in your mind for your ads. If you sell a coffee, maybe you want to get more people to visit your shop. Or if you're selling some courses online, you want more number of people come to your website and download a brochure to understand what are the curriculum that you have. It depends upon business to business. It depends upon the goal to goal. Okay. Not knowing what you want your ads to do will help you decide how to bid. You can focus on different things when you bid. Clicks, impressions, conversions, views, or engagement depending upon your campaign type. Which would you choose? Okay, so let's understand a few things at the bottom over here. The first one is CPC, so which is nothing but focus on clicks, especially for search and display campaign. If your main goal is to have people visit your website, then the clicks are a good place to start. Using CPC bidding, you will pay only when someone actually clicks on your ad and comes to your website. Yeah, it's very simple, right? Because I want people to come to my website and make some action over there. So for that, CPC campaign will be really helpful for you. The second option is CPM, the cost per mile. Okay, so it is nothing but cost per thousand impression. If your campaign is targeting just the search and your main goal is to increase your brand visibility, consider using target impression share. With this bidding strategy, Google Ads will automatically set you bids to help achieve your impression share goal. Example, if you choose an impression share target of 65% on the absolute top of the page, Google Ads will automatically set your bids to help and show your ads to the absolute top of the bid 65% of the total possible of the times they could show. If your campaign is targeting just the display network, instead of paying by the click, you can pay by the number of times your ad is viewable, that is shown. That's called cost per thousand impression. Yeah. So since you pay for every 1,000 times your ad appears and is viewable, if you're most interested is getting your name on the or logo in the front of lots of people, this is the smart option for you to bid. Viewable CPM bidding is like CPC manual bidding. Lets you set bids at the ad group level or individual placement level. The next one we have CPA, that is called as cost per acquisition, or you can also consider that as cost per conversion. So a lot of people will be focusing on lead, generating inquiry. Now, what is your CPL, that is cost per lead? How much you are ready to spend for that? You might have spent certain amount, and what is the conversion that you're getting? So with this advanced bidding method, you tell Google Ads the amount you are willing to pay for a conversion. For cost per action, a conversion, sometimes also known as acquisition, is a particular action you want to see on your website. Often that's a sale, but it could be an email sign up or some other action. You pay for each click, but the Google Ads will automatically set your bid for you to try to get you as many conversions as possible at the cost per action that you specify. Right? Now, to use To use this bidding, you must have the conversion tracking turned on, among other things. So CPA bidding is suited for intermediate and advanced Google Ads users. The next option what we have is CPV, which we call it as cost per view, specifically for video ads. Okay. So if your main goal is to evaluate how engaged viewers are with your video content, where they choose to watch your videos and when they drop off from watching your content, you will see CPV bidding. The CPV bidding, you will pay for the video views and the other video interactions such as clicks and call to action overlay. So CTA cards and companion banners. To set a CPV bid, you enter the highest price you want to pay for the view while setting up your true view video campaign. Your bid is called your maximum CPV bid or simply max CPV. This bid applies at the campaign level, but you can also set the CPV per ad format. So as I told you, CPV is only for video ads. The next option what we have is CPI. Now what is CPI? Cost per install. This, as the name say, install. So it's specifically for an app install. So for this you'll be selecting your goal as app promotion. Then you'll be picking up an app which you need to focus upon, where you're expecting new customer to click, that is app install, or the person who has already clicked and he is not using the particular product, that means that app. You want this particular person to engage the app. So for that you can focus on app engagement. The next bidding strategies where you have to focus is focus on clicks with CPC bidding. Now let's understand this part. So focus on clicks with CPC bidding, manual CPC, that is manually, which we have to do as the name says. The next one is maximize click. As the name say, maximize clicks. Google will be able to get you more number of benefit focusing upon maximize click, which is automatic bidding. Okay, the cost per click bidding means that you pay for each clicks on your ad. For CPC bidding campaigns, you set a maximum CPC bid or simply maximum CPC. That's the highest amount you are willing to pay for each click on your ad, unless you are setting bid adjustment or using enhanced CPC. Your max CPC is the most you will typically be charged for a click, but you will often be charged less, sometimes much less. That final amount you will be charged for a click is called as actual CPC. Yeah. If you enter a max CPC bid and someone clicks your ad, that clicks won't cost you more than the maximum CPC bid amount that you set. You will choose between manual bidding, that is, you choose your bid amounts, and automatic bidding. Let Google set to try and get more number of clicks within your budget. So CPC pricing is sometimes known as PPC campaign. So what is Google Ads automated bidding? Now, automated bidding is a Google Ads bidding strategy designed to maximize result based on your set campaign goals. With automated bidding, Google automatically sets bid amounts based on the likelihood that your ad will result in a click or conversions. To do this, they analyze the data such as user's device, operating system, the time of the day that they are doing a research, and demographics and location. All of Google Ads bid strategies are portfolio bid strategies, an automated goal-driven bid strategy that ad group multiple campaign, ad group, and keyword. This means the advertiser can apply their chosen strategy across all of their campaign, ad groups, and keywords. Some are available as standard strategies and ad strategy that can be used in the single campaign. Okay, so let's understand what is targeted CPA. So it is a Google Ads smart bidding strategy that sets bids to help get as many conversions as possible at or below the target CPA, cost per action, that you're going to set. It uses advanced machine learning to automatically optimize bids and offer auction time bidding capabilities that tailor bids for each and every single auction. Target CPA is available as either a standard strategy in a single campaign or as a portfolio strategy across multiple campaigns. Yep. The next one what we have is maximize conversion value, which is automatic. So this is a new update from Google Marketing, Google Ads. So Google announced a new bidding strategy that is maximize click, that is maximum conversion value, which allows retailers to optimize campaign to value like sales, revenue, or the profit margin. Google then set bids based on these targets to drive the greatest possible return. The next one what we are going to understand is enhance CPC. So enhanced CPC is a bid strategy that adjusts your cost per click to help maximize conversion or conversion value. eCPC combines manual bidding with the smart bidding strategy like target CPA and target ROAS. This strategy raises your manual bid in situations that seem more likely to lead to a sale or other conversion on your website, and lower your bid for situations that seems less likely to lead to a conversion. You can also test eCPC along with the third-party bidding system to give a limited degree of smart bidding. The next option what we have is target bidding, target impression share. So under smart bidding campaign, we now gonna understand like target impression share. Okay, that can automatically set bids with the goal of showing your ad on the absolute top of the page, or anywhere on the page of the Google search result. Target impression share is available either as a standard strategy in a single campaign or a portfolio strategy across multiple campaigns. This will give you the more number of benefit than any other conversion that is bidding. The next we are going to understand the target return on ad spend. Now, target ROS lets you bid based on the target return on ad spend, that is ROAS. This Google Ads smart bidding strategy helps you to get more conversion value or revenue at the target return on ad spend. Your bid are automatically optimized at the auction time, allowing you to tailor bid for each and every single auction. Target ROAS is available as either as a standard strategy or a portfolio strategy. The next bidding strategy and the smart campaign, we are going to understand maximize conversion. Now, maximum conversion automatically set bids to help get the most conversion for your campaign while spending your budget. It uses advanced machine learning to automatically optimize bids and offer auction time bidding capabilities that tailor bids for each and every single auction. Okay, so this is again the whenever you're focusing on conversion, would recommend to focus on the maximized conversion, which is automatic bidding from Google. We have gained a better information about the bidding strategy. Now, flexible bid strategy automatically set bids to optimize your performance goals across specific campaign, ad group, and keyword. This puts Google in the driver's seat over your PPC management, which can be a good and bad thing too. Flexible bid strategy are great for improving your performance in ad auction. So now everything is on your plate. So look for the better goal and which bidding strategy will be you can use for your campaigns. All right. So that's it for this session. Hope this session was really informative for you. See you all in the next session. Thank you. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.